In this video, we are going to discuss the solution of this second order differential equation using Laplace and inverse Laplace transforms, given these initial conditions, that is y of 0 is equal to 2 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So the first thing is to know the Laplace transform of the function itself, that is y of t, and that of its derivatives as given from row 2 up to row 5 of this table. So as we are dealing with second order differential equation, we need to find the Laplace transform of the second derivative, the first derivative, and that of the function from this table. So substituting these Laplace transforms into equation 1, we are going to have this equation. So you can see it is in form of S domain, but we also have the initial conditions. So now what we need to do is to substitute the initial conditions, that is y of 0 is equal to 2 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So doing that, we'll have this equation, and now collecting like terms. So all the y of s are put in one side, and we have the other terms minus 2s and minus 8. So taking minus 2s and minus 8 to the other side, we'll have this equation. So our y of s will just be 2s plus 8 over s squared plus 4s plus 3. So we can factorize this denominator, and that will give us this equation. So now, in order to easily solve this, we need to undergo partial fraction. So applying partial fraction, we'll have this equation will reduce to a over s plus 1 plus b over s plus 3. So looking at the right hand side, the LCM will just be s plus 1 into s plus 3, and that will lead us to this equation. So we have s plus 1 times s plus 3 in both left hand side and right hand side, so we can multiply both sides by the same term, and that will lead us to equation 3. So now I need to choose an s that will eliminate either a or b. So choosing s to be equal to minus 1, that is, I intend to eliminate b in order to find a. My left hand side will just reduce into 6, because 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 plus 8, and that will give me 6. And minus 1 plus 3 will just be 2a, and minus 1 plus 1 will just be 0. So my a will just be 3. So substituting a into 3, I will have this equation. So now in order to find b, I can choose s to be any value. So choosing s to be equal to 0, b will just be equal to minus 1. So substituting my a and b into 2, I will have this equation. So now all I need to do is to apply inverse Laplace transform, and using this table, the inverse Laplace transform, that is from s domain to time domain of 1 over s plus a, is just exponential of minus 80. So applying that into this, I will have my y of 2 will just be 3 exponential of minus t minus exponential of minus 3t. So if you want a step-by-step guide on how to compute key Laplace transforms, watch the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.